What's crackin'? My name is Hans, and for today's video guys, i-share natin sa inyo yung mga updates na gagawin dito this May 28. So guys, magkakaroon ng maintenance and ang oras ngayon is 4:52 AM. So magkaka-maintenance guys ng 5:30 AM. So kakalabas lang dito guys sa in-game, and chinek ko guys dito sa website, and napakaganda ng update na ilalagay dito ng Nightcrow. So papakita na natin yan sa inyo, and let's go! So guys, ang gagawin nyo lang is click nyo lang tong news and click nyo lang tong notice. So pagka-click nyo yan guys, ayan, click nyo lang tong maintenance May 28. And once na maklik nyo yan guys, nandito na lahat ng kailangan nyo malaman. So babasahin natin yan guys. And ngayon sabi dito is, greetings, this is Nightcrow. So this is the maintenance guys. So main updates is, new event will take place. So number 1. At yung pinaka inaantay natin guys is the City of Craftsman, which is the Trontel, will be added. So ito guys yung mapa na to, pinakita na natin to sa inyo. For level 50 to, syempre magkakaroon din ng mga new items. So ayun nga guys, merong mga items dito. So new accessories, which is the shoulder strap. So may accuracy rin kayo makukuha dyan guys. And new weapon style added. So ito hindi natin to nabanggit. So ayan, new weapon style added. Page 2 will be added to spell infusion. So ayan, ito yung page 2. And skill wave of inspiration 2 will be added. So ito yung mga main updates guys na dapat nyong abangan mamaya. So ito sabi sa Asia is May 28, 5:50 AM and 8:40 AM. So hanggang 8:40 AM siya. Tapos ito sa SA naman guys is May 27. Ayan, so 6:50 PM to 9:40 PM. At sa NAEU naman guys, Monday, May 27, 2024, 5:50 PM to 8:40 PM. So ayan guys. So sabi rin dito, please understand that this patch may take a while to load. So ayan, tatandaan yun guys. Patch sizes are listed below. So ayan, sa PC is 5.86 GB, on Android is 1.85. So sa mga Android dyan guys, dadagdagan pa guys ng space since naglalaro kayo ng Nightcrow, and the actual downloaded patch file size may differ depending on the patch environment. So ayan, kung sa mga bagong download, madadagdagan guys. So yung sinabi nila dyan regarding dun sa system na kailangan with regards to the specs is madadagdagan yan guys. So ito yung updates, and sobrang saglit na ng video natin. Ayan, since bagong labas lang to guys ng Nightcrow. So nagulat na lang din ako, may maintenance silang sinabi dito sa in-game. So hindi tayo naging updated. Pero ayan, ito guys yung inaantay natin, which is the Trontel map. So pakita natin sa inyo guys yung video ng Trontel map kung hindi nyo pa alam.